Hey guys, just a really quick video just to tell you guys that I have got a Black Friday deal today on my Ableton course. I'm selling it for half price. So I've already got a deal on it, but I'm actually slashing that in half again. So if any of you guys have been thinking about getting my Ableton course, but maybe haven't had enough money to do it, I've got a sale going on today. Everything is half price, so click the link below or go to beginner Ableton lessons and you can go and you can download my beginner course if you don't know anything about making dance music and you want to learn how to do some basic mashups for your DJ gigs. I've got my advanced course where I'll teach you like advanced production techniques that are going to make your tracks sound really professional, and I've got a mixing and mastering course. I'll teach you everything you need to know to take your tracks to that next level, sounding as professional as any other track out there. So guys, if you're interested, go and check out my Black Friday sale today, and yeah, good luck with it. If you have any questions, let me know. Cheers guys, bye.